Oh, okay. Okay, guys, so again is.
I stay there. There's zombies trying to bust up my door, but I cannot deal with that right now because of the building. Oh god.
Okay, and I am going to finish off my house. Let's go get some more wood.
I found out how to do that.
Hey.
This is part 2. Nobody mentioned it.
Yeah, whatever. Who cares? Anyway, so let's shut down this.
It's not fair if you're doing it without me. Yes, it is.
No, don't worry. We're going to tell you what all the challenges are. And it doesn't matter, just when you die, it doesn't matter how long it takes you to do it. The point is that once you die, you're gone. That's the point of this.
Once you die, you're gone. Okay.
Once you die, you're gone for good. There's no respawning. It's like, yeah, when you die, you go on holiday to heaven. Okay, so let me fill in this.
Where zombies cannot pull open doors.
Is anyone finished their house?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just need to finish mine as well. I'm trying to get like slabs onto my roof.
This can't be happening.
I just think it looks nice.
This cannot be happening.
But then again, there's no point for doing like anything all fancy.
This can't be happening.
But I just want to design mine.
Gamer.
What?
My dog grew up
Yeah.
and a creeper just blew up my house.
You've got to rebuild it.
Oh, darn it! But the roof is okay. I just need to do like the walls.
Oh, that's actually kind of funny. Like, haha. Anyone with me on that? Haha. No.
Guys, look. When the creeper blew up, it blew up a tree, and an apple got off the tree.
Okay, let me gather up some dirt here so that I can. Wait, there's actually coal. I see coal. It's like I'm right next to a mountain. And I see coal. So I see coal, and I'm going to get the coal in a minute. First of all, I want to put some slabs onto my roof. So let's get some slabs up in here. Alright, so I've got some slabs. I need to make some more slabs. That should be enough.
No, skeleton!
There we are, the perfect amount of dirt.
Okay, I finished my house.
Okay, so now let's just get a few slabs. Okay, so I've got 24 slabs. There should be more than enough. So I'm gonna oh my goodness, I can't even get onto my roof now. So let's surround the roof with slabs. Let's finish off my roof. If you die, it's all over. Just GG. If you die, it's just GG. This is like GG, you're gone.
How am I hurt and hell just keeps going up randomly? Weird. Come here. I've still got my potion of healing, then I have to use it. Jump!
Okay. So I've gathered up my dirt again. I'm gonna make a chest very quickly.
Stop it!
Chest.
I have 2 chests
Bam.
already. Look, make leather boots.
Oh, you can? Yeah, I might as well actually start doing that.
Leather armor.
Let me just clear out my inventory a bit. And now I'm gonna kill this cow and hope for the best. Die, cow. Die. He dropped beef. But no cow skin.
Guys.
Wait, what?
Yellow. Guys.
Cow skin?
Speak up. I can't hear you.
Can I
Guys,
what?
today we're going to have a new fun day.
Video. Alright guys, I fell in a hole and I cannot get out.
Okay, so
Great way to start the video.
Great
way.
You probably won't. But if you see me in McDonald's today or down at the where's the fun day?
It's in Family Fun Day is at the GAA club.
Yeah, so you'll either see us at the GAA club or McDonald's.
Yeah.
If you live in Ashford, that is. So if you want to see us.
I'm cooking some juicy meat. Yeah. Meat.
And we're
No?
Kids.
Anyone?
So look out for kids. And why do you tell them we're kids? Because they didn't know we were kids. Oh my god, they've seen my vlogs.
Yeah, they know that he's a kid, and they know that I'm a kid because he showed my beautiful looks.
Because he has a baby voice.
Why? I don't have a baby voice.
Yes, you do.
That wasn't even anything like a baby. That was just weird. I know. I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna like stop talking, and now pumpkins. Pumpkins. No. No, unfortunately, I do not. Yeah, building a house. Well, my house is actually finished. My house is actually finished. I don't have a bed in it though. So yeah.
I just need one more piece of wool, then I can make a bed. Me too. I've already got a bed.
I don't.
Me neither.
I'm getting some pumpkins. Oh wait, it actually appears that Kitty is able to join us, and she actually changed her name, guys, to Santa Claus. Black sheep. Black sheep. Ow! I just like
My name is Petra.
almost died.
My skin is Petra.
Is that sugarcane? Well, there's a white sheep as well.
That's still racket.
What's rackest?
Have you seen any 8-legged ants yet?
Yes, a 8-legged ant, also known as a spider, it crawled into my house.
What's a spider?
I was in the middle of building my house and it crawled in.
What's a spider?
A spider is something that you don't know because you're derp. Hashtag Slayer's a derp.
That is my skin.
Hashtag Slayer's a derp.
What's the best place ever?
Subscribe for derpiness.
I've got more subscribers than you.
Well, yeah, I've only got 6. I'm planning on doing a 10 subscriber special. I just ruined the ruined the surprise.
As if you will get 10 subscribers.
Wolf! Wolf! And it's a big one. It's not a puppy. Come here, Wolf. Come here, Wolf. I've got 2 bones. I've got 2 bones, 2 bones, 2 bones, 2 bones. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Come on, I can do this. Come here, come here. Come here.
I only had 1 bone.
Yes! I tamed it and I had 2. I got a dog. I'm not joking. I just got a dog, guys.
I have a dog. I had it since the last video.
You guys saw it with your own 2 eyes. I tamed a dog.
I'm gonna watch your video and see. I bet you're lying.
I would not lie about getting a dog.
Oh, guys, I bet you find you're lying. Look at my screen. What?
Oh my goodness! I see another wolf. Do I have any bones? No, I've got no more bones. I actually need to make torches. I'm gonna make a couple of these to just light up the room.
Have either of you got windows?
No. Well, I've got a bed now.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to bed.
Look at my armor.
Oh no!
I killed a zombie.
Oh yeah, you showed
What
me.
armor did it got?
Gold. It was gold.
Come on. She's got full gold armor. I don't need
I know.
the helmet now.
Okay, so I just saw a cow and now I'm running away from it. What am I doing? Oh my goodness, I'm so hungry. Eat chicken. This little untamed wolf over here.
And there's a skeleton with a helmet on.
If it drops the helmet, wait, what kind of a helmet is it?
Enchanted.
Wait, what? Wait, is it gold or leather or iron? If it was like iron or something, but gold is still pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, gold is like...
Where are you getting all the good stuff? Like, I was just saying how awesome it was that I have boots. And then you go off with all that stuff.
Yeah, I just got a wolf. But then again, she's got a puppy, which is actually kind of cute. Which is cute. Oh, it grew up. Well, it grew up. It had life. Mine's just a wolf. And You also.
Is your dog is your dog going lone wolf?
What was that?
What's the siege?
Guys,
I can't get out of
it
my house.
is.
If I walk out of my house right now, there's just the siege for this world is poop face in face shop full stop. Yay.
Yes, I got 2 pieces of leather.
Poop in face in poop face in.
Oh, I really want to feed my wolf, but I really need food. Cause I've got 1.5 hunger bags.
Yay.
No, I need to eat the food. Otherwise, I'm gonna starve to death, and then it's game over. GG.
No!
What?
The creeper blew up again, but my dog was outside. It blew up my dog. Yay.
Did your dog die? Oh, that's actually so good for me now. Okay, that helps.
Oh, yes. I just tamed another dog. Billy.
Billy.
Billy. What's my name? Billy. What's my name? Hey, Gamer. Yeah. Is it you
No.
or you?
Thought it wasn't bone, but it was an arrow.
Why are you?
A skeleton burned to death. A skeleton burned to death, and it dropped an arrow, but no bones.
What are you saying? No. I said that's what you mean. Yay.
Oh, yay. Wait.
And how do you spell yay? Nobody
Yeah. Okay? Are you like really bad spelling, girl?
Yes.
Or are you just asking me to give me a test?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a little rose for my little wolf.
I'll make it upstairs if I can.
Die, creeper. Wait, my wolf is not gonna go after it.
Is that how you spell pooping?
Okay, wolf, sit.
Is that how
I'll
you spell
deal with this
pooping?
bad boy.
Is that how you spell pooping? I've only got half a heart. Game Boy. Game Boy. Is that how? Game Boy.
I'm like,
Is that how you spell pooping?
oh my goodness, she is so weak. If she dies,
And there's a creeper right
Oh,
outside
Is that
my
how you
house.
spell pooping?
yes.
There's a creeper right outside my house.
Ooh, sugarcane. I need to get back to my wolf though, so I'm gonna gather up sugarcane quickly. I'm like really weak as well. I've only got 3.5, 2.5 hearts, and you need, I think it's, no, you need 4 pieces of wood and 1 stick in the middle. I can remember the recipe.
Hey guys.
Okay guys, I think we're gonna have to end out this video here. I know we didn't really do much, we just gathered sugarcane and like finished off the house.
Guys,
Well, we gotta do.
guys, I'm not going to do the video. Sorry.
Wait, does that mean that you're out? Does that mean that you're eliminated?
I just.
You're just quitting?
I'll watch every video so we'll be back, like, yeah, I'll be back later.
Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like in the description below. And I will see you guys
I'm being chased by an 8-legged ant.
in the next video.
8-legged ant, 8-legged
And they're not 8-legged ants.
Creeper!
Bye guys. Like, just bye.